How does commercial space law mitigate space debris? Have you ever wondered how the growing problem of space debris is being tackled? Commercial space law plays a vital role in addressing this issue, ensuring that space remains safe for future missions. Let's break down how these laws work to keep our orbits clear of clutter. Commercial space law sets specific rules for how spacecraft and rocket parts should be disposed of once their missions are complete. This is important because leftover debris can collide with other spacecraft, posing risks to astronauts and satellites. The laws requiring operators to manage what happens to their vehicles after they finish their jobs. For instance, operators have several disposal options. They can choose to bring their spacecraft back to Earth in a controlled manner, which means they safely re-enter the atmosphere. Another option is to move the spacecraft to less crowded orbits, often referred to as graveyard orbits. Some may even send their vehicles on a path that takes them away from Earth entirely. Active debris removal is another method encouraged by these laws. This involves retrieving debris within a set timeframe to prevent it from becoming a hazard. By using these strategies, the chances of large objects remaining in orbit as uncontrolled threats are significantly reduced. Moreover, commercial space law limits uncontrolled reentries. These uncontrolled events can be dangerous, not just for other spacecraft but also for people on the ground. The laws requiring safe disposal methods that have a high success rate, often over 90%. This aligns with international standards for debris mitigation, promoting a sustainable environment in space. For astronauts, these regulations are essential. Space debris can cause serious damage to spacecraft, which could endanger crew safety and mission success. By reducing debris, the risk of collisions is lowered, making it safer for astronauts during their training and missions. Additionally, commercial space law encourages practices that minimize debris generation during missions. For example, operators are urged to avoid intentional breakups of their spacecraft and limit debris released during operations. Some regulations even requiring quicker clearance of low Earth orbits once a mission ends, which helps reduce the time objects remains in crowded areas. In practice, these laws create a safer environment for astronauts by managing the orbital space where they train and operate. They also help preserve the orbits that are vital for human spaceflight and essential satellite services, like communication and navigation. Overall, commercial space law establishes a framework that encourages responsible behavior among space operators. By controlling and reducing space debris, these laws play a key role in protecting astronauts and ensuring the integrity of future space missions.